welcoming for our new office. This moment marks more than just the opening of a physical space. It symbols of growth, progress, and new opportunities. It reflects the hard work, vision, and collaboration of everyone involved in a bold step forward toward an even brighter future. So now we can start the ceremony. Yes! So, lahat we can now. Picture.
Oo na makakatanggap, yayaman!
For the medial hall, for the sofa, and for the black seats, that's for you both, for medial halls. The sofa and the black seats po are for you. Yan. So you can enter na po.
Sige, pasok na, papasukin mo na.
You can now enter, yes.